The Pi browser is part of the Pi network ecosystem, which aims to create a decentralized and user-friendly Web3 experience. Predictions about its future depend on various factors, including the adoption of the Pi cryptocurrency, Pi, and the development of dApps, decentralized applications, within its ecosystem. The superscript 1 possible predictions for Pi browser increased Web3 adoption. If Pi network successfully builds a strong ecosystem, the Pi browser could become a hub for decentralized applications, dApps, smart contracts, and blockchain-based services. More Web3 developers might start integrating their apps into the Pi ecosystem. Wider usage of Bitcoin for transactions. The Pi browser is designed to support the Pi cryptocurrency. If Pi gains real-world value and usability, the browser could become a key gateway for crypto transactions, NFT marketplaces, and blockchain-based payments. Enhanced security. Decentralization. The Pi network promotes decentralization, and Pi browser might evolve to include more privacy-focused and censorship-resistant web browsing features. Future updates could integrate decentralized identity (DID) systems for secure logins, competition with existing Web3 browsers as IDRS's Citilla. The Pi browser will face competition from Brave, Opera crypto browser, and MetaMask's built-in dApp browser. Success will depend on user adoption, developer engagement, and unique features that set it apart. Regulatory challenges. Exchange listings. The Pi network's future depends on regulatory approval and whether Pi coins become fully tradable on major exchanges. If the Pi browser is linked to an unregulated or controversial ecosystem, it could face legal restrictions in some countries. The superscript 1 conclusion. While the Pi browser has potential, its success depends on mass adoption, real-world use cases for Pi coin, and continuous innovation. If the Pi network can prove its legitimacy and build a strong developer community, Pi browser could become a major player in the Web3 space. However, skepticism remains until full decentralization and open mainnet launch are confirmed. The registered predictions for Pi Wallet. By April 2025, the Pi Wallet is a key component of the Pi network, allowing users to store and transact with Pi coin. Its future development depends on whether Pi network successfully transitions to an open mainnet and gains wider adoption. Here's what could happen by April 2025. The superscript 1.1 Open mainnet launch. Increased utility. If Pi network fully launches its open mainnet by April, Pi Wallet will likely become more functional, supporting external transactions and integrations with major exchanges. Users may finally be able to withdraw and trade Pi coin on the platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or KuCoin. If listed, the wallet could integrate with more dApps, allowing peer-to-peer transactions, payments for goods, services, and DeFi applications. The superscript 1.2 More merchant business adoption. If Pi network expands partnerships, merchants may start accepting Pi coin for payments via the Pi wallet. Possible integration with e-commerce platforms, online stores, or even physical retail businesses in certain countries. A growing peer-to-peer economy within the Pi network ecosystem. The superscript 1.3 Enhanced security features. Multi-chain support. Possible integration with Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Hardware wallet compatibility, like Ledger or Trezor, or increased security. Smart contract execution, allowing decentralized finance, DeFi, apps within the Pi ecosystem. The superscript 1.4 Regulatory exchange challenges. If Pi network faces regulatory issues, full exchange listings might be delayed beyond April. Certain countries, like the US or China, could restrict Pi wallet transactions if crypto regulations tighten. Compliance with KYC, Know Your Customer requirements will determine if users can freely trade and withdraw Pi coins. The superscript 1.5 Market value speculation. If open mainnet launches and major exchanges list Pi, its price might fluctuate significantly. If Pi wallet enables cross-chain transactions, it could help stabilize Pi's value. Speculators will watch whether Pi gains real utility or remains a speculative asset. Pi network is at a crucial stage, and its wallet is one of the most anticipated tools in the ecosystem. The Pi wallet's future will largely depend on whether the Pi network transitions to an open mainnet, secures exchange listings, and gains real-world adoption. Let's dive deeper into what might happen by April 2025. Thy Superscript 1.1 Open Mainnet and Decentralization Progress. If Pi Network's Open Mainnet launches successfully, the Pi wallet will become fully operational, allowing external transactions and on-chain activity. Developers may introduce smart contract support within the Pi ecosystem, making Pi wallet compatible with Web3 applications, DeFi, and NFTs. If decentralization is not fully implemented, the wallet may still remain within a closed environment, limiting its usability outside of Pi network. Thy Superscript 1.2 Exchange listings trading possibilities. If major exchanges, Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, list Pi coin, the Pi wallet might integrate direct trading options, similar to MetaMask Swap or Trust Wallet Swap. Expect the introduction of cross-chain bridges, allowing users to swap Pi with other cryptocurrencies, BTC, ETH, USDT, etc. However, if Open Mainnet gets delayed, trading might remain restricted, and users would still be unable to withdraw their Pi to external exchanges. Thy Superscript 1.3 Increased merchant business adoption by April. More businesses may start accepting Pi through Pi wallet payments, possible e-commerce partnerships or direct payments for goods, services using QR code transactions inside the wallet. The rise of peer-to-peer marketplaces where users can buy, sell products directly with Pi. Countries with crypto-friendly regulations. For example, El Salvador, Nigeria, UAE, could see higher merchant adoption. Thy Superscript 1.4 Enhanced security features, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and biometric login, Face ID/fingerprint, or better security. Hardware wallet support, Ledger, Trezor. For storing Pi securely outside the app. Multi-signature transactions, allowing businesses or teams to manage funds securely. Cross-platform integration with dApps. Enabling staking, lending, or borrowing with Pi. Thy Superscript 1.5 New Pi ecosystem apps. DeFi integrations. Developers might build DeFi applications where users can stake, lend, or provide liquidity with Pi coin. Possible NFT marketplaces where Pi is used to buy, sell digital assets. More Web3 games using Pi as in-game currency. Thy Superscript 1.6 Regulatory challenges. Government policies. Some countries, like the US or China, may introduce restrictions on Pi wallet transactions, depending on crypto regulations. Know your customer. Verification might become mandatory for all wallet users, limiting anonymity. If regulators classify Pi as a security, it could face legal challenges, delaying exchange listings. Final thoughts. Say, will Pi wallet be fully functional by April 2025? If Open Mainnet launches and exchanges list Pi, Pi wallet will become a fully usable Web3 wallet, supporting transactions, staking, and payments. If delays continue, users may still be locked within Pi network's ecosystem, unable to trade or withdraw Pi externally. The success of Pi wallet heavily depends on the Pi network team delivering on their promises. Optimistic scenario: full Open Mainnet plus exchange listings plus merchant adoption equals Pi wallet becomes a mainstream crypto wallet. As still a pessimist.